What's up, guys? It is Sorby Apple TV here with an unboxing of my Sony bloggie. And this is actually a new video. Just found just basically my bloggie got put into the box. But here it is. Well, here it is, the case, but nothing in it right now. But here's the main freaking surprise. It's upside down, sorry. Main surprise. Sony. Right here we're gonna unbox the first, just more like an iPod-ish case. Or an Android. To me, it is an Android, basically. It's got the same HD video quality as the Android, but for some reason not as good. Okay. Here's the bloggie. Anyway, here's the bloggie. Get down right here. Oh wait. Put bloggie here so it doesn't fall and break. Here we got our adapter, also known as AKA USB mode, which it can charge. Notice booklet, wrist strap, instructions manual, Mexican, more Mexican, certificate of warranty, bloggie touch, the Mexican one, and now an American one. I don't mean to be racist. And mobile HD snap camera, important notice, and life and warranty, US only. Nice. I keep this case. It's a collectible case, it says. And I got it for Christmas. It came with a watch, a pretty nice Fossil. This is just the wrist strap. Thing I use that's very important for charging it. Do not lose that. And the review, or the bloggie review right here. Okay, so here it is. Let's take it's a very nice camera. I mean, like, if you take like a Nikon and take like an iPod and an Android and put them together, you'll get this, definitely. Although, it's pretty awesome. It's better than a flip in my opinion, but it's your guys' opinion. I don't care. But a flip can't take pictures of. Well, it can, but it's hard. Hello, YouTube. And yeah. This button right here is for taking video. Easier than the flip because your thumb's on it. Dang it. I did not want to push it. Crap. Wasting up memory right there. Yep. Or 12 gigabytes. Well, not gigabytes. 20 bits of memory. 20 seconds. 20 bits of memory. Gone. Sadness. Sad face. And this is a case for it. As you see, I don't know if you can see it, but it perfectly fits into the case. And nice zip. Why I keep the tab that it came with on is because the reason why is because it's basically a screen protector, and I keep the tab on because if I want to do more unboxing videos on different spaces, I could do it on like AO and stuff, but I don't really pay attention to that, so, but I do keep this tabs for. Stupid. I'm stupid enough to leave it together like that. Alright. No posting any video responses, especially, don't mean to be rude, but no on this video, like you guys videos. I don't care anymore. Bye bye.